YouTube channel, Rose,
Ameng
and Wenny
Talks.
So for now, we will introduce our channel and the contents. But first, allow us to say something about ourselves. Okay, so just a short introduction lang as of now, but don't worry, as we go along our channel, we will have videos that will talk about ourselves so that you will know us more, right? So just call me Rose, but my full name is Rosie Anke, married, a first-time mom, blessed with a lovely daughter. So aside from vlogging, I am a private employee and I love singing. I also love read episodes, mystery, and adventure.
Hey, talking right here is a licensed teacher at 23 years old, young and single in papers. Coming from the land of Valencia. My close friends calls me Ameng, but my real name is Edna May Balderas and currently working as a private employee.
Wow!
Okay, last but not the least, this is Wenny. I'm 31 years old, single, and working in a private company as well. So I like to learn new things and explore in nature. So what are the contents and the purpose of why we decided to make and start our YouTube channel?
So the purpose of this channel is to give inspiration, motivation to our viewers and subscribers through life stories, testimonies, and advices to relationships.
And we will also be sharing you guys different tutorials, mukbangs, travels, and different life goals.
And to inspire you more, our dear viewers and subscribers, we will invite some guests. And we would love to invite you as one of the future guests of this channel.
And if you are interested, you can email us at roseamengwenny22@gmail.com or like and follow our Facebook page, Rose Ameng and Wenny Talks, or on our IG account at Rose Ameng Wenny.
So after watching this video, please like and click the notification bell for more updates. And if you have suggestions for our next video, please feel free to comment down below.
And please don't forget to subscribe, please. Thank you and God bless everyone. And you are all watching
Rose,
Ameng, and Wenny